Now we are at the Batumi bus station, and I'm on my way to rural Georgia. I'm going to give a math talk in some place. It's about 10 kilometers from the border. I'm going to make the 3-hour trip by marshrutka, so this should be very fascinating. We stopped to go to the bathroom here, and only one of them is working. So some dogs keeping us company. So we have about a 3-hour trip in total to Zugdidi. I think it might be time to go. There's still a line. Irakli just picked me up, and we're going to be heading to the apartment. And so he's in the math and computer science department back in Poznan. So we're going back to the guest house now. The name of the village I'm going to be staying in outside of Zugdidi is Tsalenjikha. And I wanted to show something kind of cool here, because these cars, some of them have a steering wheel on the right and some on the left. And apparently these cars are from Japan, and it's actually cheaper to get it where the steering wheel is on the right. This is where I'm going to be staying. Where does it say 5 stars? Where's that?
5 star or 7
Did it fall
star,
off?
maybe.
7 stars, yeah, they fell off though, unfortunately.
Can you speak
Hey.
Russian a little bit?
Chut-chut.
Чуть-чуть.
I could do a Gamorjovi or Dobry den.
Привет, привет.
Пожалуйста.
Billy her daughter is his daughter is also in the USA.
Oh, which city? Gorod? Yaki Gorod?
Washington.
Washington. My brother also.
Washington.
This is my room, so I will be staying here for a few days. Balcony. Yeah, look at this view. On our way to the restaurant, and we're being blocked by cows, although that car found a way around. We're gonna go eat here.
Yeah. Smacznego.
Smacznego, yeah. Mówimy po polsku? The restaurants. So you're the bishop in the Orthodox Church. Cool. Yeah, so,
In Georgian it's mamau.
Mamau, okay.
Mamau is something like father.
Ah, I see. Mm-hmm. Cool. And this is a 13th birthday? Something like that. The wine that was made by the bishop, right? Yeah. Okay. Great. So, one glass of wine before my workout that I'm going to be doing later. So we'll see how it goes. So it'll be the gyms and the
Energy drink.
oh yeah. Yeah. Miaso, świnie miaso. Miasa, da. Yeah. Pig, świnia, yeah.
This is like ancient cave.
Oh, cool.
Please.
We are eating back here. He said this was originally like a cave or something, and they just kind of left it.
It's its original cave, and so everything here is unique because everything was left like it was.
The Orthodox priest helped me get away because they gave me a second glass of wine and I want to lift later. So he was able to save me from that situation.
You are lucky.
Very lucky. So what is this again? We have, this is what?
This is beef, I think.
Beef, okay.
Yes, and this
There's
is
a chicken and some greased
chicken
nut,
with
you
greased
said?
nuts sauce. Its name is in Georgian harcho.
Get ready to give my talk at the local high school here, and it turns out that someone back in Batumi I was exposed to had COVID, so we need to rush to the hospital. We have something like 10 minutes, but the hospital's still open, and I need to get a quick COVID test before we do the talk. So I haven't showered or brushed my teeth or anything, so it's gonna be a fun time. Here's the hospital we're gonna do the test in. I did think to bring my passport, so.
William Mens. William Mens. Again.
It was worse in Poznan though, so this was, she's more gentle. Okay. Yeah. But that's smart. Ooh, it's a weird feeling. Okay.
So you are not pregnant.
I'm what?
You are not pregnant.
Oh, good. I was wondering why I thought I looked pregnant, so
Congratulations.
Thank you. To celebrate the negative COVID test, Tamta gave me a homemade juice full of vitamins, which I think I definitely need right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go back and shower and brush my teeth, and then we're gonna go and get to this talk at this high school. This is the second video in a row where I'm brushing my teeth and taking a shower under very quick and weird circumstances on the way to a math talk. So I gotta go in a couple minutes. I'm gonna do this really quickly. I think the outreach is really actually very important. So I think some people just want to speak at this or that top university, but honestly, if there are people here in rural Georgia who are interested in talking about math, maybe they don't have access to some other sort of resources that I might have access to, then I think it's actually a very good idea to go and talk to these people and see what you can teach them. So Irakli should be here pretty soon to take me to this high school. And I guess there'll be some like various students, some at the high school, some not, some teachers, and we'll see what they're interested in. Just in case you're missing Poland, here's a taste of Poland. The Zhubrovka, vodka illegal in the United States, but not here, I guess.
So, she's
Kwanza. Okay, hello. Kamerjoba.
Mr. Gigla.
Mr. Gigla. That's good.
He's my father math teacher.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Yes, and he's working in.
So this is the school we're going to be speaking at.
Yes.
Okay, awesome. All right, let's go.
Hi, let's go.
Oh, is he going to come to our talk?
There's the security officer.
Oh, yeah. That's cute. Sure it's not a mathematician? Oh.
Yes, I guess.
No, see, he's interested in math. See?
He's host here.
Kamerjoba?
Mr. Badrik is director of the school.
Cool, thank you. Kamerjoba?
So the topic of today will be also normal numbers.
Yeah, more or less. We'll see what we talk about. If d1 is equal to k, then x is again k over 10 to k plus 1. So that's why this is normal, and that's why the prime numbers are kind of random in this sense.
Because my father's good at math, my grandpa was good at math, so we kind of have it in blood. So
I see.
I love math so much.
That's good. It's good to hear.
That
Yeah.
was the purpose of coming here.
Good. Yeah. So do you think you're going to pursue it further?
I think I'm gonna do it because I don't see any other alternatives for my future. So math is the only way.
You fell off the swing and then you do.
Crushed me. Crushed it into her. Crushed it.
I was 4-year-old and I am now 19.
And now
Still there.
and you're scarred for life after the swing. Oh no. There's no better way to celebrate the end of a math talk than by going to a region of a country that's being controlled by separatists backed by Russia. Irakli is from this occupied region, and I guess so you said that you haven't seen your childhood house in almost 30 years because of this.
Yeah, unfortunately. I cannot visit my home house.
So they had to move to Tbilisi, and apparently the separatists can come over to Georgia, but people from Georgia can't go over there. So this is the last control point? Is this the border right here?
Not here, but this is the last point which is controlled by us, and after that we see something like buffer,
Okay.
and then so we can see the bridge, and after crossing the bridge there is the occupied territory, and there is the little base of Russians and Abkhazians. So that's why we cannot cross the border.
The cows are allowed to, right?
Yeah, I think also cows cannot.
Oh, they can't? All that we're seeing here are people who have mixed families, and they're waiting to get to the other side of the border. And we're going to ask permission to see if we can walk over there at least a little bit, not to cross the border, of course. On this military-looking tent, we have a cow. Oh, and it looks like there's dad over there too, and the little baby. Mom's being really kind of cautious. We're not going to get close and get in the way of baby. Especially dad looks pretty tough.
So she said that at this moment everything looks good there, but anyway, somehow of course they feel some
Yeah. So,
problems.
yeah. They have some their local documents, and that's why for them it's not problem to cross. Okay, I see.
They can cross here.
So do they have family over there? Or like, what's the?
Yes, his family is living there.
Mhm.
So I think she don't want to speak.
Unfortunately, we were denied entry because apparently it's quite dangerous. And we're even told if we fly the drone here too close, that there's a good chance the Russian forces could actually attack it. So we're gonna go a bit further,
Yes.
buy some castle, and maybe we can see something. Before we left, we talked to another guy who was just very quickly like, oh yeah, everything's okay. And he just disappeared right away. So we think he might have actually thought that we're people kind of trying to catch him and test his loyalty and might have been spies. So we're getting the hell out of there. I think we might be, the security guards might have been right that we probably shouldn't go any further. We found this castle that apparently we can try flying the drone from. Maybe the Russians will be less likely to shoot it down from here. Oh, cool. This was a fort from the 17th century, and it was mostly for defense. And I guess there was some path over here where people could actually ambush attackers, like maybe some like guerrilla warfare or something like that. I think it's pretty cool. Cal is very interested in the drone. This is enough adventure for today. There's actually some very interesting stuff we're going to do in this area later in the upcoming days. But now I just need to go to the gym and relax and just do a little bit of video editing. So we're heading over there and we'll call it a day from there. We have to walk a couple kilometers through the village to get to the gym because Irakli's daughter has a fever and he's worried maybe it's COVID, so we don't have access to a car. This is a good start. We got this already here. I wonder what's going to be inside. So it'll be bench press day today. Unfortunately, there isn't too much weight here, and I'm not really sure how much that is, like 80 kilos, something like that. So I'm gonna just kind of do some reps and hopefully get some sort of workout in here. I'm all done with the gym, and at the place I'm staying, they feed you. So they gave me this big meal for after my workout, and the workout didn't really go all that well, to be honest, but I'm glad I at least got something in. So I have a very interesting day planned for tomorrow, so be sure to follow me, and you can see all kinds of other just crazy stuff we have planned in Georgia.